Okay, open your bag. What did you get at Target? Let's see. Open it. What's in there? Oh boy. What's that? What's that? It's for your hair? Is that Hello Kitty stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in your bag? What else is in there? Okay, open it. Show us. Oh boy, what is it? It's a movie. What movie is it?
Okay.
Oh yeah, the receipt. Okay, show us the movie. What movie is it? Oh, it's upside down, but is that a princess movie?
Yeah.
Is that Princess and the Frog?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Kitty?
And Hello Kitty? Okay, what else is in the bag? I'll open it in just a minute. What else? What is that? Show us. Claire Bear, what is it? Uh-oh. Those markers?
Those markers.
What kind of markers are they? Are they Hello Kitty markers?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here, let's see what else. Oh, boy. And then, did you get another movie?
Yeah.
What movie did you get? Here. Hold this one, here, Claire. Show this one. Show this one to Mimi. Here. Hurry. Hold it. What is that movie? Which one's that one? Can you hold it up? Is that Wreck-It Ralph?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell Mimi thank you?
Thank you.
Here, can you look at the camera and blow her kisses? Say bye.
Bye.